Welcome to Lake Kiowa. We are going to walk through this home that we just did an install for. Follow me and let's get started. I'm going to start here in our AV closet. We've got a couple Sonos amps. We've got a network switch here, and then we've got an Araknis router here. And then we've got a watt box that is a power surge. It's also rebootable, so if we need to remotely log in and reboot any AV equipment, we were able to do that. And then on the wall here, we've got a basically battery backup for any of the rolling blackouts or anything they may need to keep the gear up for a few extra minutes. And we're gonna go to another room and show you some more stuff. As we go into our first bedroom here, we've got an Araknis access point in the ceiling here that we retrofit our wires so they can get great Wi-Fi through the house. Yeah, we got a Sony 50-inch TV here with an Apple TV connected to it. Hello MediaHeads, we are now in the family room, where in here we have installed an 85-inch Sony TV with a Sonos ARC below it. Below the TV, we've housed a couple Sonos amps, a network switch, another watt box piece for in here. We've used a Kanto mount on an arm so they can pull it out when they need to extend the TV for different angles. And right below us here, we've got a Sonos sub. In the back of the room, we have installed some Sonos by Sonance in-wall speakers. Got one here and one over on that side. This will give them the surround sound effect in the room and not just audio from the soundbar. And on the wall over here, we did some controlled lighting with Lutron Caseta switches here. And then in the ceiling up here, we retrofit wires for an wireless access point to help boost their Wi-Fi in this room. Let's go head out to the patio here with the Sonos amp that I just showed you below the TV in there. That powers these speakers. And these are Sonos by Sonance speakers out here. They come in white or black, and we've actually done both. We have got black over here by the fireplace that we also retrofit wire to. So up here in the eave, we were able to come out with some speaker wire that we got run through the attic, and we ran across over here to our speaker wire above the pergola here. So a lot of outdoor audio to help boost their outdoor experience and enjoy it a little bit more. So this is how we retrofit network to the family room TV. We found a little passageway and popped out the side of the house here and came down and buried some wire, and then over here popped in behind the TV. We trenched network wire from the family room box here all the way down to the lake, to the dock. We've got a pair of the Sonos by Sonance in-ceiling speakers here. We've also got another pair of the Sonos by Sonance kind of facing the water, so when they're out here they get a little more sound. To keep an eye out, just kind of generally here on the dock, we installed a Ring camera for them. This guy here is an Araknis outdoor Wi-Fi booster. We put the gear for outside in these two outdoor Telix boxes. Inside each is one's got a Sonos amp to power the speakers. The other one's got a network switch and another rebootable watt box, so we can kind of repower anything we need to if there's any outages. Here in the kitchen, I don't know if you can see that, but we were able to put a Sonos 5 up above the microwave and cabinets up there. Kind of is hidden, blends in the place where we couldn't get speaker wire to. After the fact, we were able to retro an outlet up there and give them some music here in the kitchen. Here in the living room, We were able to retrofit for 4 in-ceiling speakers. These are Sonos by Sonance. These do audio. They're also tied into the TV by one of the amps you saw in the upstairs AV closet. We've got another Sony TV here and used a Kanto arm mount. I like these Kanto arm mounts because they will actually extend out quite a bit. That way you can view it from just about anywhere here in this living room, even get past the fireplace. And then we did a little 2-input watt box here. That way if we need to kind of reboot the Apple TV or the TV, we were able to remotely. At the front door here, we did a few more Lutron Caseta light switches to control some of the outdoor lighting and then the entry lighting here as well. In the master bedroom, we've got another Sony TV here with a Sonos Arc, so they can get great TV audio and get some music here in the master bedroom. And right above your head here, we've got another wireless booster to help boost the Wi-Fi inside the home. In this bedroom here, we mounted a Sony TV. We used to have a smaller TV, and we just made it a little more easy viewing for the bed and free up some space for them. Bathroom here, we've done another Sony TV mounted to the wall here. We've also got another access point in the ceiling there to boost Wi-Fi on this side of the house. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough of this great home. Look forward to talking to you guys soon. Thank you.